Again, this has never been more important, okay? This has never, ever been more important. And this is why most agencies are still stuck in the past. And this is why I say traditional CRO is dead or is dying. It's all now about that post-click optimization experience. And it's all about making different persona-based experiences, feeding it back up to the platform, because it's only going to benefit your paid activity and it's going to get you more revenue per visitor or profit per visitor through your entire funnel. Okay, landing pages, message match, UX, UI, all these 8 levers that we put into this table have never been more important. And that's what we've built here at ConversionWise. We've built something different. We are pivoting everything we do into this new way of results that we're getting for our clients. Okay, AI gives you that speed. It gives you efficiency, but we add that for 13 years of direction, and that's essential. You need that strategy. Remember that clip earlier in the playbook? You need those 4 pillars. You need data, you need AI helps, you need experience, and you need strategy. Okay, tools give everyone ideas, and they always want to give you an answer because that's what they're programmed to do. But you need to know which one of those ideas matter. And that's what we know. Anyone can generate an output, but we turn that insight into revenue. And that's, again, where AI is faltered. It has to give you an output, but the output might not necessarily be the right one. And Optimo, our internal AI, has all of our data. So what we've done is we've taken all of that test vault, not just the 600 winning tests, thousands of winning tests, 8,000 landing pages. It's all been plugged into Optimo, our internal AI, with our experienced team, and we can give much more informed hypotheses and ideas that you should be executing on for your brand. CRO has definitely changed. The new is post-click optimization and experience. And your job is to find the biggest lever, fix it fast, and repeat. And that's what we're doing for brands at ConversionWise. I truly hope this playbook has been useful. I truly hope you've got some great insights and ideas. Thank you for watching.